You've probably heard 1,000 different opinions on how to hit a pickleball. Well, here's the truth. Opinions don't matter. The way you hit a pickleball is dictated by two things and two things only: the dimensions of the court and physics. Today, I'm going to show you the science behind every swing so you can stop guessing and start hitting with confidence. Every swing in pickleball has three main components: grip, body, and swing. But here's where most players get it backwards. The grip dictates the swing. The swing does not dictate the grip. And the swing itself, it's made up of three things: paddle speed, paddle path, and the angle of the paddle face. So let's break it down. The swing follows the body. The body does not follow the swing. Your footwork, balance, and positioning all decide what type of swing you can make, not the other way around. If you're off balance, no fancy paddle motion is going to save your shot. Think of it like dancing. Your feet lead your body and your hands follow. Now, beyond grip, there are 5 essential works of pickleball: grip work, how you hold the paddle work, how you swing the paddle, eye work, watching the paddle at contact, head work, strategy, psychology, and tactics, and footwork, your movement and positioning. And you can even add breath work. A lot of people, myself included, hold their breath when they actually hit the ball. They don't let it out, which leads to a lot of times you getting out of breath and overwork it very fast. So you have to remember to breathe. If you take a breath in when you take your paddle back and you hold it and don't let it out after impact, you're gonna get out of breath very quickly. That destroys your fluidity and your power. Breathing through your shot keeps you loose and consistent. So remember to breathe, exhale when you actually hit your shot. Now, let's get to topspin. People love to argue about it, but it's not opinion, it's physics. There are 4 things that must happen for topspin, no exceptions. You need paddle speed, you need to swing from low to high, you need a vertical paddle face at the moment of impact, and you need to keep eye contact with precision at the time of impact. No gimmicks. Don't look too quickly to see where your ball went. There's a 200 millisecond delay between what your brain processes and you actually hitting the shot. So if you're looking up to see where your shot went, you're looking up and your paddle hasn't even hit it yet. True story, which will lead at that point to your paddle going up, the ball going into the net or out. So keep your eye on the ball at impact, even though likely you're not actually seeing the ball hit the paddle. It's too fast, but keep your head down and this will prevent you from looking up too early. So remember, no coach's unique opinion will dictate how you hit the ball. The ball doesn't care who you are. It only cares about 2 things: the size of the court and physics. Master those and you'll master the game. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button.